Hi to all, welcome to my class number 7 of class 7 chapter 2 fractions and decimals. Today I am going to discuss decimal numbers, its introduction. You are well known about the place value table. Suppose the number is 732. How will you place this number on this table? 2 in ones place or unit place, 3 in tens place and 7 in hundreds place. And there is no number in thousands, so we can write it as 0. Suppose the number is 732.8. What does this 0.8 means? It is out of 10, 8 portion is taken. So that place we can call it as 10th place and its value is 1 by 10. So 8 will be in 1 by 10th position. Now let us take another number 246.67. Here unit place 6, tens place 4 and 100 place 2 and 10th place you can write it as 6. Now 7 is the next place. It is 100th place. Its value is 1 by 100. So 7 you can write it in 100th place. Now what will be the next place after decimal? Yes, it will be thousands place and its place value is 1 by 1000. When you write a number in a place value table, the blank place you can fill with a 0. Now the number is 25.257. Do write it in a place value table. As you can write 0 in 1000, 0 in hundreds place, 2 in tens, 5 in units, 10th place you can write it as 2, 100th place you can write it as 5 and 1000th place you can write it as 7. You know the expanded form of a decimal number. Suppose 245.681. Here 2 is in 100 place, 4 is in tens place and 5 is in ones place. So 245 we can write it as 2 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1. Here 6 is in 10th place. So that we can write it as 6 into 1 by 10. Similarly 8 is in 100th place and 1 is in 1000th place. So that we can write it as 8 into 1 by 100 plus 1 into 1 by 1000. Now you already studied to compare two decimal numbers. Here, which is greater, 0.75 or 0.075? How do you check it? First, look at the whole number part. Both are 0, same. Now, just look at the 10th place. Here is 7, here is 0. Which one is greater? 7. So 0.75 is greater. So you can write 0.75 is greater. What about 2.436 or 2.428? Here, as before, unit place are equal. Now look at 10th place, which are also equal. Now 100th place, here it is 3, here it is 2. Then you can say 100th place 2.436 are 6 is greater. Now no need of looking at the 1000th place. So you can write 2.436 is greater. Now we are using decimals for conversion of lower units to higher units. For example, 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. So when we convert paise to rupee, you have to take two places of decimal. For example, here 5 paise you can write it as 0.05 rupees, 25 paise you can write it as 0.25 rupees and 326 paise you can write it as rupees 3.26. You can see in all the cases two places of decimals are there. Now look at the length. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So if you want to convert millimeter to centimeter, you have to put only one places of decimal. Here, if you want to convert centimeter to meter, you have to put two places of decimal, and meter to kilometer, you have to place three places of decimal. For example, 23 meter, you can write as 0.023 kilometer. Then what about 5 meter? Convert into kilometer. Yes, it is 0.005 kilometer. Similarly, in weight, 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram, 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Here also, three places of decimal we are using. For example, 2 kg, 25 gram, you can write as 2.025 kilogram. Can you say what is 75 gram in kilogram? Yes, it is 0.075 kilogram. Here is your exercise 2.5, which is greater. We already discussed 0.5 or 0.05. Look at here, 10th place is 5, 10th place is 0. So you can write 0.5 is greater. Similarly to all other questions. Second question is express as rupees using decimals. 7 paise. So two places of decimals we need. So it should be 0.07. Second, 7 rupees 7 paise. So it is 7.07 rupees. Do other questions. Look at the third one. Express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. In meter, two places of decimal, so 0.05, and in kilometer, three places of decimal, so it is 0.005. Look at the other and do yourself. Look at the first question. 5 centimeter is equal to 0.05 meter. Again, you have to make this into kilometer, means here already 2 is there. Again, you have to take three places of decimal, so it will become 0.00005 kilometers, because this 0.5 for meter, centimeter to meter, and this 30 stands for meter to kilometer. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places of decimal will be there after 0. Now check your answers. Here are two more questions. Express in kilogram. So gram is there, so three places of decimal should be there. Do it yourself. Now write the following decimal numbers in expanded form. 20.03, that is 2 into 10 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100. In that way, do all other questions. Here is your answers. Do verify yourself. That is all for today's class. Have a nice day.